Here we go. Do the tunnel.
We're going through the
Here we
tunnel. The darkness of the wirral.
You can't see in this tunnel because it's pitch black.
Unless you've got a screen in front of doing the screen up. So that was one day. The tunnel that you get out of the air,
Sorry, you two can't see because it's so dark and I've lost the light on.
It's not this video on YouTube. There's something that was recording a rolling round from the phone. And there it says, didn't fail tunnel.
There's the cell phone. Hello, YouTube. Okay, we are now in McDonald's. Look at this. Oh, Macker! Yes, we're in a beautiful place of Bromborough now. From GB to Bromborough. It's lovely. Really. And I tried, we did a race. Kinda. I won. Yes. Don't get me in the flurry. Tom's getting this food. People are staring at me. I think I'm weird because I'm talking to a camera, but I'm not weird. Yes, we're now heading off from the eastern wall. Say no, yeah. See you in a bit. You're employee from the front desk. Hello again. I hope you did very fucking nice. We are. Oh, bloody hell.
Down the back alley where nobody goes.
We're back into Bromborough, going on back onto the way to my mate Tom's
We've
house.
just been round to Eastern Country Park.
Yeah, we went through Country Park. We went through Eastern Country Park and back, and now on the home stretch, I'm winning the race.
Yeah, but the winner is first one to touch Tom's front door.
That's true, yeah.
What? Oh, you did it to my front door? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, Tom, did you like this little ride on the bike?
It's Tom's first time. He's never been here before.
How about yours, John?
Oh, I always like this little ride. Sorry.
Yeah, yours, Tom.
Great.
Oh,
right, I'm holding the camera.
Yeah, point on us.
Right, that there's Mike, and that object is Tom. Hi Tom.
Still my vlog.
Yeah, this is Mike's vlog, but with John recording.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm tired.
Mike's tired. Now, for those of you who want a little idea of where we are, that building just there, can you see it? That's the Odeon.
You can used to see me.
So if you see me, yeah, we are round the back of Bromborough.
Yes, we are.
Great place.
Watching this video and live in Bromborough, better than please tell us.
Now,
I would like to meet you.
Does anyone know what bake bark is? Because I don't. So if anyone could tell us, I'd be very grateful. Look how scabby this place is, seriously. Mike's going to take the camera now.
Right, hold on, I want to zoom in on that sign. Right, HCV, imagine if that was HIV. Wouldn't that be funny?
I know.
HIV. That's what it's to say on Block of the Week, like.
Block of the Week, good show.
Yes, we were driving now through the bike path, driving to...
Riding?
Riding then, not driving, riding then! Bloody hell!
I want to ride my bicycle. Yeah, we're going to Port Sunlight.
Yes. We're driving through the nice... Fuck yeah, riding through the nice light. That's going to be a big race. Because it's just great, that's going to be a race.
Actually, yeah, this is going to be a brilliant race.
First one to the barriers wins.
Yeah, definitely.
What's that?
Definitely.
You'll see it at the end of the road. Yeah, whoever wins that wins.
Yeah, generally so far it has been a good day.
It has been a very nice day.
Yes, indeed.
No, just those three lads bitching about everyone else.
Yeah. We love you all, really. We do. We may not act it, but
yeah, it's the first time I ever called Tom a lad, by the way.
Hello, lady.
Nah, he's my brother from another mother.
Who's a woman?
Yeah.
I'm only joking, Tom. I'm only messing.
Anyway, so the next YouTube video will probably be at Tom's house. Well, the next part of the video, alright?
Yeah. Where we're playing on Super Smash Bros.
I'll give you a look up for that.
Yeah. Of me losing some hopes on it.
And then, if I click my fingers, you'll see with Tom's house or somewhere else. Might be before Tom's house.
Oh.
Hello again. We're shattered as hell.
Let me neck, I'm dead.
There's Tommy open the windows. We're at Tom's house. We were down on the part of poor sunlight, and we had the race, and I had 2 incidents. Nearly fell off my bike the first time. Second time, I did fall off my bike because Mr. Bowen there crashed. Well, turned right into me and maybe crashed, and I grazed my leg a bit. And that was painful as it wanted it to be. But yes, we are about to go on the Wii.
Oh, cheers.
Just about I've got my balance, I've got my games now, so it's like Tom, you know. Yeah, hold on. Just want to do this. There they go.
But we made it.
Yes, we did.
What a cool
See what you want with
Hi, mate.
Mine's not alright one though.
You're one on Tom.
Yeah, it's fine too. I don't mind. Well,
I don't like what's been on that one.
What?
You say this on the camera, yeah?
Well, that's
Oh!
I might have got it and knocked it out, you know.
I'm not.
why do you think
It's that sorry. It's cheers, yeah. Yeah, back on the way on Super Smash.
Which we might video if you're very lucky.
Which I'm gonna video a bit maybe later. Yeah, that's all time really.
That's good.
I'm not getting much from there.
I might go buy him tomorrow, but I don't know. Might hang out tomorrow. I'm not gonna block it. CBA.
What was I going to do? Oh, yeah.
Should have organised a trip to Chester so
So yeah, so we went to Easton, back to Bromberg to Easton. I didn't record it, sorry.
maybe next time.
Maybe next time. And yeah, Easton to Bromberg, and then Bromberg back to here.
Batteries are there.
John won the race,
Woo!
unfortunately. I came second, and Tom came a miserable third. He cheated. He absolutely cheated. He took us the wrong way, and we went the right way. I know we just
never asked.
We actually, yeah, it was funny though, because you went the right way, and we went the wrong way. We were so close to you.
Well, either way, you would have done fine. Either way, you would have beaten me.
Yeah.
Even if I got the alleyway, you would still be around there.
It's true. It's true. The next place you might see, might be Super Smash around me at home. I don't know yet. Yeah, mate.
Well, there's Super Smash now.
Say Super Smash.
I think you can actually get on this.
I think you can as well.
I'm sorry, so what can I have to do next time?
I'll have the controller crack.